All right, now I'm going to go through work example 10. So this question says that we need to calculate the length of time required for $3,000 to grow to $4,000 at 5% per annum compounded quarterly. So the first thing I always say that we need to do is to write down the following formula that we're using. Okay, so we are using the compound interest formula. Okay, future value equals our present value, bracket 1 plus interest rate, close bracket, to the power of n. All right, we're going to identify all of our information. Okay, so they have given us our future value. Future value is $4,000. Okay, our initial value is $3,000. Our interest rate is 5% per annum. However, it says that it's compounding quarterly. So if it's compounding quarterly, okay, I need to divide the 5 by 4, which is going to give me 1.25. Okay, so I have to divide it by 4 because it's compounding quarterly, but then I also have to divide it by 100 because interest rates are always out of 100. I've got to divide that. Okay, so that is now our I. Okay, once we've got all of that information, we sub everything in. All right, they haven't given us an n value, so that's actually what we're trying to find. So we have to do a little bit of rearranging again in this formula, in this question, sorry, but it'll just be a little bit different. So the first step we're going to do, we're going to get rid of the 3,000. We're going to take this over here, and it's going to be divided because currently the 3,000 is getting multiplied. All right, we work out what that answer is. Okay, so the answer for this is a recurring decimal. So if you would like to change it to a fraction, you are more than welcome to. So the fraction for that is actually 4 over 3. And to be honest, I probably will change it to a fraction because at least with a fraction, you don't have to worry so much about rounding. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, now with this part, the next bit we're going to do is we're going to complete the bit inside here. Okay, so the 4 divided by 3 stays, okay, and then 1 plus 0.0125 is going to be 1.0125 to the power of n. Now to find n, what you need to do here is you sort of have to do a little bit of guessing and checking. Okay, so you have to sub different values in for n until you get the correct one. So basically what's going to happen is you have to get the same value on both sides. All right, so I'm going to do a couple of values and see what we get. Okay, that doesn't work. So I'm going to go let n equal 20. All right, we're close. I'm going to go let n equal 23. Okay, so my answer is 1.3307. Now, it's actually going to take 24 periods, which is equivalent to 3 months. Okay, and it's based on the fact that it was a recurring answer. So 4 over 3 is a recurring decimal. So I just rounded it up to 24 instead of 23 because of that. So it's going to take 24 periods, okay, where 1 period equals 3 months. All right, so it's going to take 72 months, which is equivalent to 6 years.